So, shit, get on the game real quick.
Hello, Ronnie. For the past 3 months, you have done nothing but play video games. You have neglected your loved ones and pushed all your friends away. Now it's time to play the ultimate game. Me, you, Madden 09. Can you handle it? Can you handle the pressure, Ronnie?
What you mean, man? You trying to see me on the sticks? Is that what you saying? Hey, you can't fuck with it. I'm just too nice, bro. Too nice. You a ugly ass dog, bro. You coming at me like you finna beat me, bro. What the fuck? Come on, bro. Little ugly ass dog. You like a fucking clown, cuz. What's up with that voice? What the fuck? Fuck with it, man. I'm the shit, bro. The little ass fingers. You can't even hold a controller, bro. Them little ass fingers. Hold it like this, cuz. Come on, bro.